The real danger in US AI software stocks isn't that you didn't buy nvidia, but that you don't understand where the next wave of funds will flow. Many people are still focused on chips, computing power, and servers, but Wall Street has already begun to explore another, more subtle direction. Once AI agents truly enter enterprises, who will manage these AIs? Who will control permissions? Who will connect processes? Who will ensure they don't act recklessly? This is why I've been focusing on NO recently. To put it simply, NO isn't a cheap stock, nor is it a short-term pick for a rebound, but it may be the most easily underestimated core asset in the enterprise AI era. Why? Because many people think AI will kill traditional SaaS, but truly large enterprises can't operate with just a chatbot. Enterprises need processes, approvals, permissions, data security audits, and cross-system execution. These are precisely the core areas. You can think of it as a future grand model. NO is responsible for thinking about AI agents. Agents are responsible for execution, but NO may be responsible for managing how these AI agents should execute, to what stage of execution, who approves, and how to control risks. Therefore, the real highlight of this stock isn't whether it has AI, but whether it has the potential to become the process control tower for enterprise AI. More importantly, N2's Q1 revenue still showed growth of over 20%, a very high free cash flow margin, and strong customer loyalty. However, the reality is that its valuation is not low, and volatility will be high. It's definitely not a stock you can blindly rush in after listening to just one video. The easiest way for ordinary investors to lose money is to only hear that it's a core AI asset, without knowing when to buy, when not to buy, which data in the financial report indicates the logic is still valid, and which signals necessitate reducing positions. Therefore, I won't lay out all the details in this public video. The truly valuable information isn't just a bullish or bearish prediction, but rather a complete PDF summarizing N2's latest financial report, valuation range, peer comparisons, AI agent, the impact of agents on SaaS, the implications of security asset acquisitions and AI dialogue entry point acquisitions, and most importantly, the most important entry strategy, conditions for adding to positions, signals for reducing positions, and a risk list. You can send me a private message, and I'll send it to you. Remember, in the future AI era, not all software companies will win. Some SaaS companies will have their value compressed by AI, but platform companies that truly control enterprise process entry points, have extremely high customer migration costs, and excellent cash flow quality may become even more important. Which category does OW belong to? Is it a good buy now? If so, how should it be bought in batches? If not, what signals should be waited for? If the financial report changes, how can the risk be identified immediately? These are the key factors that truly determine whether you can hold on, whether you can make a profit, and whether you can avoid major pitfalls. This isn't a group of thousands shouting for stock picks, and I don't want to attract people who just want to hear code and immediately go all in. This is more suitable for those who are willing to truly understand the industry, the company, the financial report, and the risks. Next, this in-depth research PDF on enterprise AI will serve as a core case study for the board. I will explain it thoroughly, from the company's fundamentals to the buying and selling framework. If you just want to watch something interesting, you can skip this video after watching it. But if you really want to seize the opportunities of the next stage of the AI industry chain, not just look at chips, not just chase hot topics, but understand the direction in which funds may reprick in the future, then this PDF is worth your serious reading.